Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Over the Table. Today we're sitting by the fire. We've got a Christmas gift here, and in celebration of the holidays, I'm going to do a little Christmas special just to let you guys know I am still out here. So we've got a surprise gift. This was given to me by a viewer, and I was told, hey, Joey, Santa delivered this to me, told me to get it out to you to open and review. It literally says Over the Table from Santa. I don't know if you can see that, but I have absolutely no idea what this is. The only thing I was told is to give my guess on what the value I think this product is. So without further ado, let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so we've got a package. So you'll see that my video is going to be very dumbed down. I'm still working on the studio, but that is something that's in the work, guys, so don't worry too much. I am working on the studio. That's why we're kind of dumbed down. I don't even have the microphone anymore. I've got to get some new equipment, and I'm working on it, so don't worry about it, guys. Looks like we're not getting any hints here, huh? This is just a box. Guys, I gotta say, I don't know what it is still, so let's dig deeper. What? What is this? What is this, huh? I gotta say, guys, I don't know what this is. So let's open it further. Wait a second. This stuff. That doesn't open all the way. Wait. Is it? Huh. How am I supposed to get into this thing? You know, I think I know what this is. I just don't know how to get into it to get this stuff out. Huh. It opens from the back. Sorry guys, I'm stupid. Alright, so this is what I thought it was. It is a phone projector in a box. So basically you turn your phone up to max brightness and put it in there and test it out. Fair enough. Cool. This probably has your projector lens in it. There are some DIY versions of this that you can make. I've tried to do it in the past unsuccessfully. But maybe this product will make it a little easier, huh? Very nice lens. That's a fat piece of glass right there. That is a fat piece of glass. So the lens probably goes in here. Well, I should probably read the instructions, huh? It says to insert this into one end, but I don't know how you're supposed to do that. Man, I gotta tell you guys, sitting with my legs crossed is not something that I'm able to do very easily. Okay. Getting our fingerprints all over it, but Tell you what, I got it on. Let's go to the next step. we're gonna use some common sense here, guys. Because this thing is sticky, huh? So it's a sticky gel pad that I guess when you rinse it, it's not really, it's sticky but not adhesive. Like when you rinse it off, it will fix it and reinstate its stickiness, as it says in the instructions. The rest of this is very straightforward. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to charge up my extra phone there and stick it on there, and we'll see how it looks, and then we'll give our final thoughts. Alright guys, work with me here. So once you get the phone charged up and you're on a video, what you want to do is lock your rotation so you can have it upside down and it doesn't fix the rotation, because I guess you're supposed to stick it on upside down. You also want to make sure your brightness is at 100%, because this only works with max brightness here. So I'm going to stick this onto the pad here, trying to do it with two hands. So anyway, you're going to stick the phone right onto the pad. Alright, once the phone is stuck to the pad, all you got to do is we're going to hit play. I have the volume way down, just because you don't really need to hear the volume. The speaker quality is going to be basically the speaker quality of your phone. So we're going to take this into the darkest place I have in my house and test it out. Alright guys, as you can see, it is able to project a decent sized image, and it doesn't look so bad. You can change the focus and whatnot on it. I'm approximately, I would say 2.5 foot from the wall here, and it's almost watchable. There's a little bit of distortion, a little vignetting going on, whatever you want to call it, around the corners, but I think an adjustment of the lens might fix that. But that's pretty cool, guys. I mean, it's increased the phone screen from like 6.5 inches or so, 6 inches, to a usable screen size of probably like 15 to 20 inches. So that's really cool. Obviously, you can change the focus just by getting closer and further away. But that's pretty cool, guys. That is very neat. That's cool. It turns your phone into a little projector. Wow. This is actually a cool little product. It sure beats when I tried to DIY the same thing. It's really cool. It's a neat little thing. Shows you kind of the properties of what a... Sorry, I got distracted by my video. Anyway, this is a cool projector, guys. Definitely worth checking out. I mean, obviously, don't expect this to replace a proper projector. It will not. But as a cool little, just a cool little thing to get somebody to kind of, maybe a kid that like is interested in projectors or into that type of thing. You get them this, kind of show them that, you know, technology is cool, and this is an example of that. Now, if I were to value this thing, that's tough. I would probably value something like this, because that lens is so robust, at $20. I would say that this would be a solid $20 gift, $25 gift for somebody. So I don't know what the actual value is. I'll pop a link in the description if you want to know where I got it. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little Christmas special. Still out there, still working on stuff, but eventually I'll have that studio ready for you guys. But thanks for joining me. Have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We'll see you guys again. Don't worry, it will be sooner than you think. Have a great day, and don't get shot.